you, in front of me I've got Realme GT Neo 3T. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter password and security, go to lock screen password and confirm. As you can see right here, we've got three types of passwords: numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. Let's start with numeric, and we are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. So let's set the first type of password and let's use it. Now let's select alphanumeric. And again, let's use it. In the end, let's select pattern. And now let's go back and enter fingerprint. Now simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now you can unlock the phone using the fingerprint. In the end, let's go back and go to face, continue, and now simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.